These videos are perfect for if you're just venturing into crochet, if you want to discover this amazing world and create things for yourself, maybe give gifts. It's a great thing to get into. So today we're going to be looking at the treble crochet, that's in UK terminology, or double crochet in US terminology. There will be a video about the difference between UK and US because it can be a little confusing sometimes. But right now all you need to know is we're doing UK, so this is a treble crochet. So I've done a little swatch here just to show you what the stitch actually looks like. If I just pull it out a bit and you can see a little closer there. So this is 4 rows of double crochet. So you can see we've started here with a chain row like so. We've turned, we've done 1 row here, we've turned, we've done another row here again, and the 4th one is there. So we're going to start this way around on our 5th row. So the hook is in your loop. We've got facing the right way because we're going to be going this way and creating 1, 2, 3, 4, our 5th row. So I haven't done any chains here yet. You need to give a little bit of height, so we'll just do 2 chains there, and that sort of gives us the height for our new row. Let's see here. This also doubles as your first treble. So if you keep in count, we've got 20 along here. This is your first one. So when you do your second one, you're going to go into here, and that is your second treble, even though really it's just the first one you're doing of the row. It's a little confusing, but you'll get used to it the more you do it. So to do our treble, we're going to yarn over the hook. So you've got 2 on there. So you've got your loop that's already around your hook, and then you've got an additional one. Then you're going to put your hook through both loops of the next stitch. So it's the top of the stitch below, if that makes sense. You've got your little V's there. You can see they're a little closer. So you're going to go in, you're going to go through both of these little loops, front and back loop. Then you're going to grab the yarn from behind, you're going to pull that through both those loops, then you're going to yarn over again. So you've now got 4 on your hook. Then you're going to pull this one through 2, not 3, through 2. So now you've got 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again, and then you're going to just pull through both of those. So it's a little more difficult to see when your chains is counting as your first one, but that is finished treble right there. So if you just put a little stitch marker in that second chain that we use for our turning chain, it'll just show you that that is your first treble of the row, and then the one after it that we've just made, that's your second one. And when you're coming back the other way, it'll just remind you as well that you need to do a stitch into this one, because that counts, otherwise you'll lose one each time. So you need to make sure you've got 20 in every row, and you're not losing one each time by missing that chain. So I'm just going to do a few more. So we go over again, yarn over, put into the next stitch through both these loops, grab the yarn, pull it through. So you've now got 3, yarn over, pull through 2. So you've now got 2 on your hook, yarn over, pull through those 2. And now you can see we've got 3 in this row. Again, yarn over, so you've got 2, pull through both those loops, grab the yarn from behind, pull it through so you've got 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, so you've got 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more. And you're just going to continue like that to the end of the row, so you've got a treble in each of the top of the row below, of each stitch of the row below. So yarn over, insert, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more, yarn over, go in, pull through 2, pull through 2, and it's really starting to take shape now. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is your 5th row. So keep going to the end now. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to go all the way to the end. I'll stop talking and you can just watch me finish the row and then see what it looks like when it's complete. Okay, so we've got to the final stitch there, and if you remember I said to put one in the top of the turning chain from the row below, so this is the one that I'd done on the previous row. So we need to make sure we're going into this stitch, otherwise, like I say, we'll lose a stitch and we'll end up with only 19 on the next row, and then you'll end up with your project just caving in like that, and it's not what you want. So we take out this stitch marker and yarn over your hook as normal. You can just see we've still got those two right there, so that's the front loop and that's the back loop there. So we've got those two, same as all the others. Pull through, there we go, you've got your 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and there we go. That is the 5th row of this little swatch I've made, and you can just keep going for as long as you want, and that's your finished piece. Brilliant. Have a great day.